In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in a PowerPoint presentation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open PowerPoint on the web, sign in, start a new presentation, and insert a video from your device from stock footage or from an online source. First, open your preferred web browser and search for PowerPoint. Click through to Microsoft's official PowerPoint site. This ensures you're using the secure, up-to-date version. If you're using the desktop app instead, the process will feel very similar. But here we'll focus on the web experience. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you use the account that has access to your files and any organizational permissions you might need. If you're on a shared computer, it's a good practice to confirm you're signed into the correct profile before continuing. Once you're in, start a new file by selecting Create Blank Presentation. You'll see a clean slide workspace. If you prefer to insert a video on a different slide layout, you can switch layouts later, but a blank canvas keeps things simple for now. Now go to the ribbon at the top and click Insert. This is where all your media and content options live. Within the Insert tab, choose Video. You'll see three choices: this device, stock videos, and online video. Choose this device if the video file is saved on your computer or cloud drive that's accessible through your file picker. Browse to your clip and insert it. Common formats like MP4 usually work well. Keep in mind that larger files can make your presentation heavier, so if you notice performance issues, consider compressing the video before you insert it. Choose stock videos if you want quick professional clips built right into PowerPoint. Use the search bar to find a relevant video, preview it, and then insert. This is great for background loops, intros, or visual context without leaving your presentation. Choose online video if your clip is hosted on a supported platform and you want to stream it. You'll paste the video's link and insert it into the slide. This option helps keep your file size small, but remember that playback will require a stable internet connection and access permissions to the source. After inserting, you can click the video to reposition it and drag the corner handles to resize while maintaining quality. Use the on-slide play controls to preview and confirm the video looks right. That's it. Open PowerPoint, sign in, create a blank presentation, go to Insert, choose Video, and pick the source that fits your needs. You're ready to enhance your slides with engaging, well-placed video.